Hello and welcome. I'm going to show you in this video how to find your Bitget wallet address. Now, give this video a thumbs up and let's get started. To find your Bitget wallet address, launch your Bitget app and sign in. Now, I've already signed in, so I'll tap on Assets and I'm being asked to add fund. As you can see, there are no assets in your account, deposit or buy any coin daily to earn points. So I'll tap on add funds and there I will see deposit crypto. So I'll tap on this. So in the next page, I will search for the coin that I want to get the address for. Let me say I want to claim USDT airdrop. So USDT is here already. I can just tap on USDT or I'll search and then I'm being asked to choose network. Choose network. Ensure that the network you select matches the withdrawal platform. So I'll choose TRC20, which is Tron. That is a good network. The transfer fee is cheap, the one I normally use. So depending on the one you are being asked to provide, but this is the one I normally use. And here is the address. Here is it. This QR code and this text here, random text here, is the address. So we tap on copy and you have copied the address. You can send it to the person and they will send money to your Bitget account. But if I want to choose another currency, let me say I want to receive TON or claim TON airdrop. I'll tap on this and then I'll search for TON. Look at it, TON coin. Look at it. So I'll tap on TON and then I'll ask to choose network. So the network will be different from USDT. That's why you can see TON coin network there. So as you can see, it says your address has been switched to UIQ format. Old address can still be used for deposit. So this is just a notice. So here is it. So the only network for TON coin is TON. So that is it. It's already on the network. So this is the address. You can just copy it and then send to the person that wants to send money to you. So if it's Bitcoin, it's just the same process, but the network might be different. So the network might be different. Let's say Bitcoin. Can't find the Bitcoin. Okay. Here is it, Bitcoin. So I'm being asked to choose network. Here you have the BTC, Bitcoin network, Lightning network, and BEP20 network. This is for Binance Smart Chain network. So you can choose any depending on the one that is being requested. So let me choose this. So there is the address. So if you are still finding it difficult or you are still confused, feel free to contact me on WhatsApp and I will assist you on how to find your wallet address. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section. So that is all on how to find your Bitget wallet address. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.